So for today's movement challenge, we are going to continue with rotation movements. Last time we did hip, today we're going to look at trunk. So to start for your movement challenge, we're going to have you sit in a chair, cross your arms across your chest, and try and twist one way as far as you can. And then same thing to the other side. And you might find that one side is a lot stiffer than the other, or you have difficulty going one way. If you do, we're going to give you a stretch for that side. So if you found that you were stiff when you twisted to one side, this is an exercise that you can do for that. We're going to get you kneeling with your bum down on your heels, and then reach forward, elbows down on the ground. You can put one hand behind your head and try and twist through your back to bring your elbow up to the ceiling. And then back down. If this is easy for you, as you come up, you can try and reach your hand right up to the ceiling to get a full stretch through that side. If I was doing my other side here, and I come to here and I'm stiffer on this side, I can't get my elbow up to the ceiling, what I can do is just move in and out of this position here to work on that rotation.